This is not melon soup. This is groundnut soup, aka peanut soup. Have you heard of groundnut soup before? Have you tried groundnut soup before? Or is this your first time of seeing groundnut soup? Oh yeah, come with me. Let's cook groundnut soup together today. As you all know, I am an Esan babe, and you see groundnut soup. Groundnut soup is one of our favorite soup, one of our tough traditional soup. When it comes to groundnut soup, aka peanut soup, trust me, you will not you must see it in tradition in our village. So first of all, I grounded my groundnut. The best way to cook groundnut soup is not to allow your groundnut to be paste. Can you see how powdery my groundnut is? Not so smooth, and it will have seed. So if you are eating your soup, you'll be feeling that peanut seed inside the soup. That is basically the best way. First of all, I start by boiling my meat, then I added red oil inside, then I added my groundnut when the oil is boiled to some extent. Then I added this particular black something is a mixture of pepper, crayfish, locust beans, and this thing uziza seed. Yeah, enough of uziza seed. I don't know what is uziza seed in English, but enough of uziza seed. It brings out the aroma. It takes your groundnut soup to another level. Then I added dry fish. If you have dry stock fish, add it. Anything you just have that has to do with fish, meat, crayfish, everything, add it. See, I add a lot of crayfish. And you can still cook groundnut in a low budget way, and it will still turn out very good. Like, groundnut is that soup that you don't need too much to go with it. If you just have only fish, it will bang. If you just have only meat, it will bang. That is groundnut soup for you. So I added dry mackerel, and as well I added fresh mackerel. Like I was saying, when it has to do with traditions in my village, like traditional marriage, anything that has to do with traditional gatherings, and they are cooking, you must see melon soup and you must see groundnut soup. See, they might negotiate melon, but you see groundnut soup, it's a non-negotiable soup in a traditional gathering in my village, in our tradition, because groundnut soup is our favorite soup. It's the best, and quote me anywhere, Esan cook the best groundnut soup. See, groundnut dey pass groundnut soup. If you haven't tasted groundnut soup from Esan person, you will actually think that buttery groundnut soup paste you are seeing is groundnut soup. Guy, try taste Esan person groundnut soup, and then you will love it. Like, when you dey eat melon is soft, but this time around in groundnut soup, you can feel the texture of peanut inside. You can feel the texture of peanut. You can feel the texture of groundnut. Like, you can actually feel every flavor. Every bite gives you flavor. Like, I don't know how to describe this soup, but what I'm telling you is that this soup is a banger. A try will convince you. A trial will convince you. And if you are a non-Nigeria person and you would love to actually try this particular soup that I am hyping, and you want to see what is the hype all about, let me show you, let me tell you how to cook your own version. It's still the same to you. Start by boiling your meat, add your palm oil. That palm oil is for colored, and you have your peanuts. See, don't buy those buttery peanuts. No, you need fresh peanuts. You need fresh peanut, then fry it yourself with the back. You just have to remove small back of just the small back. By the way, that leaf that I added is called okma in my village. In my language, it's called okma, and I haven't actually seen that leaf in any other place. I said my community. I said it's some people that use this leaf okma. So they dried it from Nigeria and brought it to me. That's what I used. I soaked it in hot water, then I put it inside my groundnut soup. It's bang, even with ogbono soup. If you get this up, man, put it inside ogbono soup, and then you will love it. So, like I was saying before, I actually deviate. You need fresh peanuts. All you just need to do is to fry your peanuts, whichever you want to fry it. Don't peel all the back. Make sure that you blend some of the back, like some of the groundnut peel, inside your groundnut. See, trust me, it changes the color. It changes, it takes it to another level. Then you add your regular fish, mangi, salt, and it's perfect like that if you're a non-Nigerian. Then if you're a Nigerian, you can add bitter leaf if you don't have this particular leaf that I added. With bitter leaf, it goes well. See, trust me, a trial will convince you. See this soup, oh god, this soup clocked in. This soup actually clocked. You see the way they taste because and let's I forget to tell you, this soup need little to no mangi. Like the soup on its own, it's sweet, so you just need a little bit of seasoning and salt, and then you are good to go. Since you have added a lot of crayfish, a lot of fish, and what again, uziza seed, like you've added a lot of things that will actually contribute to the flavors in this particular soup. Hence, you don't actually need so much anymore. See, there are some soup where you just need little to no seasoning to just spice it up, and that is it, you guys. Then I went ahead to put water on the fire. I mean, you see this soup, see, it bangs with anything. Swallow, rice, so you will still enjoy it with rice, you will enjoy it with swallow. See, this soup is versatile. This particular soup is actually versatile. You can have it with starch. If you're in Nigerian, you can and you are thinking of starch, you can have it with starch, you can have it with pounded yam, you can have it with pando, you can have it with eba, you can have it with amala, you can have it with this thing too, oat, because as for me, I used oat. As per farm family, clock it. Then I went ahead to just make my swallow, and see, as I make this swallow, I was just salivating. Spit at the solo spit. I was just swallowing spit on this because I continue just the imagine, and that is it, fam. My food is ready. Thank you for watching.